Let's change this oil level sensor without draining the oil and using a vacuum. Let's go. So you're gonna grab some duct tape and you're gonna grab your hose and you're gonna tape it right here where you fill the oil. And by the way, I'll leave a full inventory of all the tools that I use towards the end. Let's go. Alright, it's gonna look something like that. We're gonna grab our handy dandy 10mm and go underneath. So here's the oil level sensor. It's gonna have a 10mm 1, 2, and 3 that need to come out, as well as this electrical connector. Alright, we broke loose 1, 2, and 3, but this clip is giving us a little trouble. Let me show you a hack. Alright, so this bad boy is gonna fight you, but it's alright. We got a couple tricks up our sleeve. We're gonna grab 2 picks, put one on this side, one on that side, and then grab a flathead. And the flathead you're gonna put right in the middle and gently tap it off. And slowly but surely it will come off. Alright, we broke these bolts loose. Now we can turn on the vacuum and safely pull it out. And just like that, that bad boy comes right off. So we're gonna get some oil on our finger, put it on the new one, just like that, around, and we're gonna pop that back in. Just like that, that bad boy's in. And now you just wanna tighten these evenly, nice and snug, not gorilla tight, snug like a bug in a rug. Alright, so you're going to want to go ahead and clean up the area to make sure it's not leaking oil. You're also going to want to clean the connector. Use electrical parts cleaner or 90% isopropyl alcohol can work too. Alright, so we clean that bad boy up. Now it's safe to connect. Push it till it clicks. And now you're going to just turn it on and check for leaks. Alright, so the tools you're going to need for this job is going to be a 10mm socket, a flathead, a ratchet, 2 picks, some duct tape, some isopropyl alcohol, a vacuum, a jack stand, jack, and the actual sensor that I'll link in the description. Bam! No more leaks. Always remember, if I can fix it, you can fix it.